step-to-step guide for WSwap. In this video, we will be covering how to swap on WSwap. Let's now use it to explore WSwap. Head over to w-swap.com and click Get Started to open the WSwap app. First, I approve 25 USDT for swapping. Remember, you'll need a bit of WCO in your wallet for gas, just like ETH on Ethereum. My wallet shows the 50 bridged USDT. I'll now swap 25 USDT to WCO, W Chain's native utility token. After approving, I click Swap, then confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Let's wait for it to go through. The swap is done. We received 45,800 WCO for my 25 USDT. Let's use that to add liquidity next. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe plus hit the bell for more W Chain tutorials.